life is like bungee jumping. Only thing, it's without the rope. Straight into fire. अगर दिल टूटे तो प्रॉब्लम किसका है? मेरा who agreed to jump या उसका जो मुझे धक्का देने वाला है?
Weekend to Goa, off-site at Singapore, dinner date. 3 ही तो गोल है, 1 तो मार.
गाइज आई एम अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर यार, ये क्या डार्ट बोर्ड बना के रखा है?
Shut up, Made. This is important.
Heard that new girl is joining today. Do you know her? सुना है वो तुम्हारे ही कॉलेज की कोई जूनियर है.
Nope. Never paid attention to juniors.
Heard she joined with a good package.
Really? And how did you get to know about it?
I have my sources. I thought तुम्हें अपने जूनियर्स के बारे में जानने में कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं. So now you are interested.
I used to pay attention to my juniors. No. They used to. In fact, they loved me. I was a mentor for them, like our Dhoni. They used to take my advice for their placement, careers, love life. I was just class apart.
तू रहने दे मैडी. तेरे लो लाइफ के चक्कर के एडवाइस के बाद ना उनको डाइवोर्स एडवाइस की जरूरत पड़ेगी अब.
Listen guys, I heard one more thing. You know, she was in a quite serious affair and broke up. Not so long.
Whatever. वैसे तुझे गॉसिप मिलते कहाँ से?
Rohit, like I said, I have my sources.
Saloni, you and your gossipings are class apart.
To get lost here.
रहने दे, तेरे से हिट नहीं होने वाला. Okay, you win if you hit anything. By the way, what's the market like today?
Check Tata. I told you to buy it last week.
It's up to 23% this week.
Electricity, I feel fire, feel our emotion.
Hey, welcome. Guys, this is Aisha.
Hello.
Aisha,
Yeah.
this is Rohit,
Hi Rohit.
Saloni
Hi.
Hello.
and Maddie.
Hi
Hi.
Maddie.
As you can see, ये अपने काम में बड़े मशरूफ रहते हैं.
Sorry sir.
Cheers!
Cheers with the Coke, huh? Giving different heart, isn't it?
यार आदित्य, you're such a bore यार.
पर तुम लोग, what a day, guys! What you all pulled off in the last couple of days was great. Client was so impressed.
No yeah, you know the way you presented and convinced client, I was just like wow.
सर और मेरे स्लाइड का क्या?
Class apart, Maddie.
वैसे आदित्य, हमारे नए टीम मेंबर का क्या हाल है?
I only deliver the presentation, but market research के सारे आइडियाज इसी ने तो बनाए हैं.
So kind of you to say that, sir. I'm just happy that I get to learn from our entire team. Thank you.
Putting humble and all.
Yeah, don't you know that? Humility is my second name. Sir, you don't drink at all? I mean, it's just a beer.
I know. I'm little different.
Different. Aditya, you're so odd.
और फिर ये सब लोग मेरे पीछे पड़ जाते हैं.
Oh my God! No. Please no.
drink, 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 drink.
हे पार्टनर, चलो आदित्य, कोई नहीं, एटलीस्ट हमें किसी और की कंपनी तो है।
ओए मैं तो तेरे साथ ही हूँ।
Okay, guys. Have fun. I'm leaving. Okay?
Okay guys, I am done. I am taking leave. If I don't reach at time, my wife will kill me. Okay? I am done, man. Okay.
So, Aisha, we have heard you're in a relationship. Is that true?
No, no, no. It was. I mean, I still like him, but I have overcome it now. It's complicated.
I think we can handle complicated.
Oh, come on. Try and understand. It's a sore spot for me, yeah.
Chill, bro. Just have fun and forget about everything. क्या ये सब relationship seriously ले रहे हैं?
That's what my friends used to tell me when I was in college. Before I just got myself involved.
I hear this. Follow me tonight.
What the hell, Aisha? तुमको हमेशा फ्यूचर की ही पड़ी रहती है।
Chill, bro. Just have fun and forget about everything. क्या ये सब relationship seriously ले रहे हैं? बाय द वे, वो सेल्स का क्या हुआ?
पता नहीं यार, प्रोडक्ट तो अच्छे देते नहीं, प्रोडक्ट अच्छे बनाते नहीं, फिर सेल्स पे आ जाता है। लेकिन सब कुछ मार्केटिंग टीम पे आ जाता है, सब जानबूझ के करते हैं।
So, lover boy, what's been up with the two of you?
Who to?
तू और तेरी पार्टनर, और कौन?
Chill यार, it's nothing.
यार रोहित, बोल ना। You know I need my daily dose of gossips.
मुझे लगा तुझे डेली डोज ऑफ स्टॉक चाहिए होता है।
वो तो है, but gossips first.
सुन, आई थिंक शी इज गेटिंग सीरियस, पर मैं नहीं हूं।
Hello guys. How's the things?
कॉलेज लाइफ फॉर द बेस्ट। मतलब वर्कआउट, वेट लॉस, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं था, राइट? मतलब कोई झंझट ही नहीं था, राइट आयशा?
यार तूने तो कभी कॉलेज में पीटी क्लास अटेंड किया नहीं होगा।
Class bro. Arey, our PT teacher was a class. 50 rounds on the ground, and it was just a beginning. And later on, you know what? It was a complete full-on dhamal.
Can't you be silent for few seconds, Maddie? और तुम्हारी हरकतों से दूसरों को क्या लगता है, इससे तुम्हें क्या? You just had your good time, right? किसी की जिंदगी चल रही है. Why don't you just leave them alone? Do you really need to get into their personal space just for your fun?
Aisha, you must know how to talk to your seniors.
Aisha, joining us for the meeting, right?
Yes, sir. Just give me 5 minutes, please. How could you be so stupid, Aisha? बार बार वही गलती क्यों?
What the hell, आयशा? तुमको हमेशा फ्यूचर की ही पड़ी रहती है।
हाँ, पड़ी रहती है मुझे फ्यूचर की, because all I want this thing between us to mean something. But all you care about is just having good time. Who cares? Who cares? It's me or 5 other girls. You just have to spend time with them. Or maybe I should not have gotten into this in the very first place, just to keep our dumb friends happy.
You know what? I'm done. I'm done.
बेटा इतनी लेट ऑफिस में और तूने फोन नहीं किया?
Yes, Mom. I'm still at work.
आयशा, you don't do well. I do not pick anything.
Mom, just have been busy with work.
बेटा मुझे तेरी काफी चिंता हो रही है।
1 minute, Mom. Aditya sir,
Yes.
please come here. अच्छा Mom, please. Mom, आप, if you don't believe me ना, see, इनसे मिलिए. Aditya sir.
हेलो आंटी, मैं आदित्य।
हाँ बेटा, आयशा ठीक है ना?
शी इज डूइंग रियली वेल। आप बिल्कुल चिंता मत कीजिए।
देखा मॉम, खुश? अब तो मैं जाऊं?
ख्याल रखना अपना और फोन करना.
All right, ma'am. Have a great day.
ओके मॉम, चलो बाय बाय बाय, सी यू. यस मॉम, व्हाई शी वुडंट से?
वैसे तुम ठीक तो हो ना?
Yeah, of course, absolutely, I'm fine. You know this mom, they just like to worry always. Okay, let's go now. Music to relax, sir?
No, not really. Actually,
Sir, can I have your minute, please?
please.
Thank you. Sir, actually, I owe you an apology. I mean, I have been so inconsistent and moody. I feel responsible for not being in a very good space. Sir, I am extremely sorry.
Not at all, Aisha. You are doing great. और वैसे भी अगर तुम्हें किसी चीज़ की हेल्प चाहिए तो आई एम ऑल ईयर्स.
Sir, actually, I am trying to overcome some situations, some decisions which I made in the past, you know. पता नहीं, कुछ गलतियाँ in personal life. I am getting into the same trap again and again. I have ended up losing myself. But I think so. I really need to be myself. Seriously, I don't know. Does this make any sense?
Do you want to hold on to yourself? Sometimes it's good thing, Aisha. और वैसे भी लाइफ को किसी और के नजरिए से जिए तो खुशी तो मिलने से रही. You know, सुकून दिल का भी. But it's interesting you say that. I was just listening to something. शायद तुम्हें पसंद आएगा.
Who is distressful, one who is aggressive, one who is
Oh.
hot-tempered,
That's Sri Mataji.
one who cheats
श्री
you.
माता जी, निर्मला देवी.
Can you love such a person?
Now I got it. That's what makes you different, huh? Sir, my mom and dad as well.
I noticed when I spoke to your mom.
Really? You know what? They have been asking me to try her meditation since a very long time. You know, like when I'm struggling and all.
The answer has been with you all along.
Oh my god, I just don't believe it was her.
इट्स अ लॉन्ग डे यार.
तू इधर ही रुक.
चल चिल मारते हैं.
आयशा, hey, it's been a long time. Let's go to the bar. Let's have some fun.
Some fun, huh? पता है रोहित, it took me a while to just get this.
आयशा,
प्रॉब्लम ना तुम्हारे नहीं, तुम जैसे लड़के या लड़कियों की है ही नहीं, बिकॉज यू आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हैव फन. प्रॉब्लम इज विथ मी, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि आई लाइक यू.
अरे
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि आई हैव टू स्पेंड टाइम विद समवन, बी विद समवन, जस्ट बिकॉज एवरीवन अराउंड इज हैंगिंग आउट विद समवन. इनफैक्ट मुझे लगता है कि नो 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 नो, लेट मी करेक्ट दिस. मुझे लगता था that I was incomplete. Somehow it's so odd for not being with someone. But you know what, Rohit? I have learned something. जब मेरे दिल का टाइम आएगा ना, you know, that right time, someone up there will take very good care of me. Until then, I suggest तुम अपना ये फन कहीं और जाके ट्राई कर लो.
Wow, now it's a class apart.
शट अप मैडी.
तो प्रॉब्लम किसका है? मेरे फ्रेंड्स का? इनका इंस्टा तो छूटने से रहा सवाल धक्का देने वाले का, वो तो आदत से मजबूर. प्रॉब्लम शायद इंसान की फितरत का है. यू नो ह्यूमन नेचर. ये किसी ना किसी को देख अपनी खुशी तय करता ही है, अपने आप को तोलता भी है. बट नॉट मी, नॉट एनीमोर.